I just built my entire personal portfolio using Google AI Studio, and honestly, it's insane. All I did was open Google AI Studio, create a new chat prompt, and type one simple request. Within seconds, it generated a complete HTML and CSS portfolio. Header, about section, projects, contact form, everything. I added my name, my skills, and a few details, and the AI instantly updated the design. Then I took the code, pasted it into Google Sites, and the whole website went live for free. No hosting costs, no coding stress, no design headaches. And the best part? The website actually looks good. Clean, responsive, and ready to use. Google AI Studio might be one of the easiest ways to build a portfolio in 2025, and I'm still blown away.